Hello everyone. So our today's topic is Roman numbers. So first of all, if Roman numbers we have to write, then what kind of number system we are using till now? So we are using Hindi Arabic number system, and now we want to study about Roman system. So now see, you have to learn these symbols first of all. So if I want to write 1 in the Roman, I just simply have to write this simple 1. If I want to write 5 in Roman, I will be writing V. If I want to write 10 in Roman, I will be making an X. Then if I have to write 50 in Roman numbers, I'll be writing L. For 100, I will write C. Then for 500, I have D. And then for 1000, I have M. As you all are facing problems in this, so in today's class, we will only use these symbols. We will go slow. Okay, so now, first of all, there are some rules. Rule number 1 is 1, as I told you earlier also, and it is given on page number 19. Yeah, on page number 19 of your book. The first point is we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Any symbol more than 3 times. Then the second one is V, L, and D can't be repeated. That means we don't have to repeat these numbers V, L, D, not even 2 times. These are not to be repeated. And the left are 1 and 10, then 100, and then 1000. These can be repeated, but how many times? Only 3 times. So if V, L, and D cannot be repeated, and the symbols like 1, 10, then 100, and then it is 1000, it can be repeated, but how many times? Only 3 times. I cannot repeat it more than that. Today we will write numbers 1 to 20 in Roman numerals, and now just see how we have to use these rules to write the numbers. Now see, 1, the symbol is simple for 1, it is 1. So I can write this symbol very easily. So I have to write 1 as 1 only. Fine. Then now 2. If it is 1 and I can repeat it 2 times, I can repeat this symbol as I have written 1xcm. That means 1, 10, 100, 1000 can be repeated. So I can repeat this symbol. So that means if I repeat it 2 times, it will form 2. Similarly, 3 I can write like this because I can repeat the symbols only 3 times. Then here is 4 for me. So can I write it like this? No. Why? Because I told you the rule that you cannot repeat any any symbol more than 3 times. But here you are repeating this symbol, one symbol, 4 times. So this is wrong. Now how we have to do? For that we will discuss about one more rule, that is addition and subtraction. Okay, so for example, always remember right. Right means addition and left means subtraction. Fine. So now see, if this kind of like if repeating of symbols is not working, that means we have to go for subtraction method. Now see, I am writing 5, sorry 4 I was writing. So if I will subtract 1 from 5, I will get 4, and I have the symbol for 5, that is V. So I will use that. So first of all I will write V, right? But it is V, that means 5, but I want to write 4. So I have to subtract 1 from it. And how will I subtract? As I told you, if I am writing something to the left, that means I am subtracting it. So how much I have to subtract from 5? 1. So I will write 1 to the left or right? To the left. Why? Because left means subtraction. So if I will write 1 to the left of 5, that means I am subtracting 1 from 5. I am subtracting 1 from 5. It will give me 4. So I will write my 4 like this. Then how will I write 5? 5 I will write simply V. I have the symbol for 5, that is V. Then here it comes 6. I don't have any symbol for 6. I have symbol for 5. But if I will add 1 in 5, so I can get 6. So now see, I have 5 and I have to add 1. For addition, I have to write the symbol 1 to the right or left. I have to add. So I have to add, so I have to write the symbol on the right side. So I will write 1 on the right side. It will make 5. V means 5. And I have written 1 on the right side. That means I have added it. So I have added 1 to it and I will get 6. Similarly, 7. If I will add 2 to V, I will get 7. That means I will write 2 to the right of V. Why? Because right means addition. That means I am adding 2 to 5. 5, V means 5 plus 2. Why? Because I have written 2 to the right of the symbol V. And right means addition. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Similarly, 8 I can write V. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now here it comes 9. Can I write my 9 like this? Like 5 and then 4? 5 plus 4 is 9. No, it will be wrong. Why? Because I have repeated the symbol for 1 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is wrong according to the rules, because my rule says that we cannot repeat any number more than 3 times. So what will I do? As I told you earlier also, when this kind of situation comes, what you have to do? You have to think for subtraction. So what I can get 9 if I subtract 1 from 10. And see, I have symbol for 10, that is x. That means if I will subtract 1 from x, I will get 9. If I'll subtract 1 from 10, I will get 9. So now see, I am writing here 10. Now I have to subtract 1. For subtraction, I have to write the symbol on the left, right? So I will write 1 to the left of x. That means I am subtracting 1 from 10. I will get 9. Fine. Similarly, now see, next number is 10. So for 10 we have the symbol x. Simple. Next is 11. So how will I get 11? Similarly, I have the symbol for 10. So I can write x over here. And now to make it 11, I have to add 1. Add means I have to write 1 to the right of 10. So I will write 1 here. It means 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Similarly, 10 plus 2 equals to 12. Fine. So you have to write it up to 20. You have to try from 13 to 20, and I will ask